శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం ద్వితీయ స్కంధం శ్రీసుఖ యోగీంద్ర నౌ డూయింగ్ నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, thinking that the one who is the supporter for all the souls, such Paramapurusha, to such Srimannarayana. Now Sri Sukha Yogindra doing namaskaram, the one who cannot be perceived by sensory organs but can be perceived by upasana and the wisdom and the bhakti, such Srimannarayana. To such Paramapurusha. Now Sri Sukha Yogindra doing namaskaram. Bhuyo namaha satvrujina chide, the one who is removing all the troubles and sufferings of the devotees. To such Srimannarayana. Now Sri Sukha Yogindra doing namaskaram, the one who can remove all kind of sins. To such Srimannarayana. Now Sri Sukha Yogindra doing namaskaram, asatam asambhavaya, the one who removes all kind of sinners. To such Srimannarayana. Now Sri Sukha Yogindra doing namaskaram, the one who is the personification of Satyam. To such Paramapurusha Srimannarayana. Now Sri Sukha Yogindra doing namaskaram, Pumsam Punaha Paramahamsya Ashrame Vyavasthitanam, the one who is giving moksham to the Parivrajakas, the one who is giving moksham to the Paramahamsas, the one who is giving moksham to the Sannyasis. To such Srimannarayana. Now Sri Sukha Yogindra doing namaskaram, Namo Namastestu Rushabhaya Satvatam Vidurakashthaya, the one who is very hard to perceive. Even then he came down just to shower anugraham on each and every one. He is born as Sri Krishna Paramatma in Yaduvamsam. To such personification of compassion Srimannarayana. Now Sri Sukha Yogindra doing namaskaram, the one who can never be perceived by the people who does not have devotion. To such Srimannarayana. Now Sri Sukha Yogindra doing namaskaram, the one who has unlimited of effulgence. No one can be equal to him, no one can be more superior to him. To such Srimannarayana. Now Sri Sukha Yogindra doing namaskaram, Yat Kirtanam, whoever sings the divine names of Paramapurusha. Yat Smaranam, whoever meditates upon the divine Kalyana Gunas of Paramapurusha. Edikshanam, whoever visits Paramapurusha's Divya Mangala Vigraham in the forms of Vigrahas in the temples. Etvandanam, whoever does namaskaram and bows their head to Paramapurusha. Yat Sravanam, whoever listens to the divine stories of Paramapurusha. Edarhanam, whoever does worships Paramapurusha. Lokasya sadyo vidhunoti kalmasham, their all kind of sins are going to be washed off at once. To such Srimannarayana, now Sri Sukha Yogindra doing Namaskaram. Ye Vibhu Vandanarchanamulu, Ye Vibhu Chintayu, Nama Kirtanambu, Ye Vibhu Leelalu Adbhutamulu, Yeppudu Samsravanambu Seya, Doshavalibasi, Lokamu Subhayata Vritti Jalangunandru, Nenu, Vibhuni Ashrayincheda. Now Sri Sukha Yogindra Dhavan Tasmai Subhadrasravase Namo Namaha. Sri Sukha Yogindra doing Namaskaram to the embodiment of personification of auspiciousness Sri Krishna Paramatma Srimannarayana. Before he begins disclosing the glory of Paramatma to Parikshit Narendra. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing Namaskaram to you. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.